Hi there, here is the quick video on Corsair 450W SMPS for PC. I bought it from Amazon India for Rs 3050 in the month of June 21, but it looks to be manufactured in 2020 as in label. Amazon mentioned it as 5 years warranty, but on the box, you can see 3 years guarantee. As you know, guarantee means whole unit replacement and warranty means free repair service. But I got confirmation from Amazon that it is 5 years warranty in India. Inside the box, you get safety information guidelines, come warranty details, but it is not talking about assembly. As this product is from China, you get a bigger plug, not compatible in India. So let me keep it aside. Here is the power supply unit. It is on heavier side. It is non-modular one, meaning all the wires come pre-attached and molded inside the unit. Wire quality is the major highlight, at least as per the review comments. Yes, not bad. Comes with nylon case and other wires are usual but in black color. Unit is also in black color, matte finishing. Overall, looks good in terms of aesthetics and build quality is good as per the pricing. This is not exhaust fan. It is the fan to cool the SMPS interiors. Length of cable is fine for any ATX cabin. Time to assemble. I am taking out 17-year-old SMPS even though it is functioning perfect. Its Molex cables troubled me with Molex to SATA adapter, resulted in damage to my hard disk 2 times. It is nothing wrong with SMPS, but this is what Molex cables will do, by touching negative and positive lines. Size of this SMPS is almost same and it fits my 17-year-old cabin. It took around 20 minutes for me to fix it, but I found that fan was facing upwards and no space for air circulation. So I replaced the unit upside down as you see here. This is the cable for 4 pin on motherboard and 24 pin sits like this. Do the connections without turning on the power and do it only if you are well versed. But do not experiment as playing with power is dangerous. Cables are tight and difficult to bend. I have hidden the unused cables here as I use only one SSD and a hard drive, but this SMPS gives 7 SATA connectors. I am skipping step-by-step connections part as this video was not intended for assembling PC. It is ready to use and this is how it looks like. I have placed it upside down to allow space for fan, but you should not do it if your SMPS block is at the bottom of cabin. I am just removing cabin fan connector to hear the noise of SMPS fan. Here you go. It is almost silent. You cannot control fan speed via software or hardware. I found that it smells bad when running, plastic burning like smell, and it is usual for a month in my experience. I have opened the cabin to show you inside view of PC when running SMPS for demo purpose, but you should not do it as accidental touches to any components would result in serious damages to you. Before closing the video, here is the quick info about the label AT bronze. Doesn't mean that it is having bronze inside. As you know, you get AC power from socket and SMPS will convert into DC power for your computer components. When converting AC to DC, there will be waste of current due to heat involved in the process. This wastage talks about efficiency. Here with this SMPS having AT bronze label, it will waste maximum 15% power. This factor will matter in electricity bills in long term, very much noticeable if you run the system for at least 5 hours daily. Amazon link to this product is added in the video description for your reference. In my opinion, it is value for money if you get it for 2500 or so, but cost is out of question for those who need it on urgent basis like me, and no other branded alternatives on Amazon or Flipkart. Ensure that seller is Appario India, as Cloudtel and Appario are only reliable on Amazon in my experience. That's all I had it in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have found the video useful, please provide your support by subscribing to my channel and hitting like button. Hope to see you in my next video soon. Bye for now.